questioner asks, do I need to get approval to have a new front door fitted? And the answer is yes. Front doors are either on common property in a lot of plan types, or if it's not on common property, then it would still be at the front of the lot and therefore be visible from the common property. So it would usually or nearly always fall under a bylaw that restricts the change of appearance of a lot from the visual appearance from the outside. So if it was an internal door, the door from your bedroom to your ensuite, then you don't need approval to change that type of door because it's inside your lot and it can't be viewed from anywhere else on the common property. But anything to do with the outside of the property, repairing, replacing or changing the look, would either be captured by being on the common property directly or by being visible from the common property. So always better to ask the question rather than taking the risk.